Hi, this is Gene from Allstate Home Leisure. Here we have the SABER Black and Stainless Steel Grill, shown as a 3-burner, also available in a 4-burner. Casted head, stainless components, individual temperature gauges on that. It takes a regular 20-pound LP tank, but you can purchase a natural gas line conversion kit if you're going to run your own gas line. Very simple, clean, straight line grill, infrared burning technology, absolutely beautiful, cooking one side quicker, slower, and even slower. Eliminates flare-ups, burning, beautiful, beautiful grill made by SABER.